Engineer College. We belong to Mechanical Diploma, and this is our diploma final year project. This is automatic pesticide spray pump run under the guidance of Mrs. Shiva. So it is an agricultural based product in which it is based on very simple components, made up of simple components. So there are only 4 main components: driver sprocket, driven sprocket, crankshaft and the pump. So we all know that farmers use chemicals and pesticides to spray on their crops to protect them for insects, pests and weedicides. So the traditional method is they wear it on their back. So it leads in a back pain and hand pain, shoulder pain, because its capacity is about 20 liters, and 20 liters carrying it on your back and working in the fields is very difficult. So we have come out with an interesting and economical idea. This is automatic pesticide spray pump. It sprays the pesticides automatically. We just need to move forward by handling this machine. This is very lightweight and portable machine. So there are main 4 components. The driving chain. So can you please move forward? So this is the working operation term. So whenever we are moving forward, the driver sprocket which is connected to the wheel makes this driven sprocket to rotate with the help of the chain. So whenever this sprocket is turning, it is connected to the crank and shaft mechanism. The shaft is connected to the pesticide pump, in which the shaft moves reciprocately and makes the pump to move makes the pump to reciprocate. So whenever the pump is reciprocating, the water moves from this pump to the nozzle.
So the main components of our project are pesticide pump with tire with a rim, and it is connected with a driven sprocket, and it has driving sprocket too, and this driving sprocket is connected with the connecting rod to run the piston or to move the piston up and down, and this frame is made from scrap. So the pump accessories are reinforced tube with a T-joint. It is connected with 2 nozzles, and it has a adjustment like brake adjustment. When we release this brake, the nozzle sprays.
Okay. So coming to the working mechanism of this machine, it works on a simple eccentric mechanism in which the rotary motion of this wheel is being converted to the translatory motion or the reciprocating motion of the piston. So whenever we operate the machine or we move this machine forward, the tire rotates in clockwise direction, which causes the driver sprocket to rotate, and therefore this rotation of the driver sprocket is being transferred to the driven sprocket with the help of the chain. So we have a simple crank mechanism here which causes the shaft to reciprocate. As the shaft is being connected to the piston, even the piston reciprocates. So whenever the piston reciprocates, the fluid or the pesticide, liquid pesticide which is present in this pump or the container gets pumped from this container to this reinforced pipe with the help of this piston. So whenever this liquid or the pesticide moves from this reinforced pipe with the help of brake, you can operate the brake and cause this liquid to flow from this reinforced pipe to this small diameter pipe up to the nozzles. We can adjust the length of these nozzles. Right, and also the height. So whenever we press the brake, the liquid starts moving out through this nozzle. So can you please try? Come this way. So whenever the machine is moving forward, the tire rotates forward, which causes this crank rotate. And whenever the crank is rotating, the shaft reciprocates and hence causes this piston to reciprocate. So whenever it is reciprocating, the liquid moves from this container to the nozzle. And whenever you want to stop the liquid output, you can just apply the brake. The liquid stops. So finally, this is a very helpful project for all the farmers who can't afford the high level pesticide pumps. All the poor and lady farmers who can't wear their traditional backpack on their back to spray the pesticide, they can use it very easily without any effort. So this is made from scrap and it is very economical for them. So this is our project and this is our team. Thank you for watching this video.